telling you how sheltered you've been raised and stuff.
Yeah, and it's like, that's just a very limiting view, and he thought it was, and what he said, like, basically a woman being, like, assaulted in the middle of a day, going to a fast food restaurant in Carrollton is just, like, ridiculous and unheard of, He's really big on this, such a limiting view, and he's like, with a view like that, how are you going to go to places like New York or Washington or Cancun?
We're not.
Like, well, so he expands and he keeps going on and on and on and on. And I couldn't do this last night because I need to get some sleep because we're getting up early today.
Yeah.
So I'm like, oh my God.
You have got to be kidding me.
I mean, I could easily stayed up 3 or 4 more hours last night texting him back and forth with him, and then I would have been so tired today and pissed. Because we have to get up early 3 days in a row, so I can't afford to not get enough sleep, even one of the days,
Yeah, that's fair.
Because it'll affect the subsequent days as well.
Well, I mean, I guess on the last day you might be able to get away with it a little bit more than the first day.
Yeah, but the headaches that I get,
That's fair. Yield to ramp. Well, conveniently, I can't see. Okay, now I'm good. And now I'm going to the right lane.
Yeah, your LDA came on.
It did, yeah.
Your steering wheel buzzed.
Okay, dude, what the hell, man?
He started switching before he even passed you.
That's going up on YouTube because I have my dash cam up. Aren't you glad I have my dash cam up now?
Yes, yeah. He slowed down quite a bit.
Okay, yeah, he's going like 33. Travel time to Sam Rayburn Tollway, less than 5 minutes. Obviously, though, I'm not getting on because that's a toll road. And that toll roads, as you know, this is a fact, are just financial exploitation. And